In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Supabase to Claude AI. So the first step is open your profile, go to settings, and here you want to go to connectors. And from here, if you click on browse connectors, you want to search for Supabase. Now you want to click on this plus icon to connect it, and this should redirect you to Supabase page where you have to authorize API. But firstly, I think you are going to need to log in if you are not logged in Supabase. And after that, you can select like organization to which you want to grant API access, then click on authorize Claude. And after that, you should see your Supabase over here. And you can also configure your permissions from here as well. So you can select only specific permissions if you want, or you can block. So let's say I would like to create a project, so I can allow this. And now if you go to new chat, we can try something. So I created this simple prompt which tells Claude to build the entire backend structure for my Supabase project. And I'm gonna send it right now and we can test it if everything is working. And if you don't have any permissions, you want to allow them. So I'm gonna click on always allow. It's already showing me the project is live. So if I open my Supabase, so we can see the SaaS starter over here because I think a user SaaS started. So yes, so we can see it over here. And it's creating now the table. So we have some subscriptions table, audit logs table, and we have to wait a little bit more, but you can see already that it's working. So our connection is successful. And everything is deployed. Here's the full summary of what was built. So we can see this is the project ID. And all right, so we have table profiles, subscription, and audit logs. So yes, we can see audit logs from here. We can see profiles and subscriptions as well. So this is really good. And it's also asking me what should be the project name. So let's say we can keep it or change it to my app. And you can also change the region. So you can see it's already knowing that the central one is closest to my country. So we can keep it on that one. But you can see it's working. So this was a quick video how you can connect Supabase to Claude AI. It's really easy and this is really useful. And if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.